Thank you for visiting Jaguar Land Rover Hinsdale. This is a 2015 Land Rover Range Rover V8 Supercharged. The original MSRP was $113,717. It's in excellent condition. We just had it serviced. We just put new tires and brakes on here at Jaguar Land Rover Hinsdale. Just going to walk around the vehicle for you and show you how clean it is. It's just in excellent condition. You can see the all-weather mats here in the back. The interior is very clean. There is no smoke smells or odors. It smells fresh and clean on the inside. I'll show you the passenger side. Vehicle comes equipped with the Vision Assist Pack, wood and leather steering wheel. It's got the Range Rover Power Deployable side steps. It's got the Driver Assistance Package, premium surround sound. It is in Fuji white with an almond seats with espresso and almond accents, as you'll be able to see right here. Those are the power deployable running boards. The leather is all in excellent condition. Again, it's a non-smoker. It smells very clean on the inside. Just very, very clean. Those are the espresso accents on the top. Vehicle has approximately 42,596 miles on it. Again, we did put new brakes, front and rear, and new tires on this vehicle here at Jaguar Land Rover Hinsdale and completely inspected the vehicle. We have a clean vehicle history report on our website at landroverhinsdale.com if you'd like to take a look at it. And that is our vehicle. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 630-925-9955. Again, 630